Morning, everybody. It's Collector's Corner again, and I'm gonna be opening not Hot Wheels this time. I'm gonna be opening Matchbox. See a little that one. I'm gonna be opening that one, and then I'm gonna be opening this set of Matchbox. Yeah. Okay. So I'll be opening these Matchbox cars this time. No Hot Wheels cars. Yeah. So I'll start off. I'll be opening. Yeah. I have the set, and I have this set, and then just one Matchbox car. But I have two Hot Wheels cars too. So I'll start with the Hot Wheels. I'm gonna open these ones. The first one is Stellar Clear. It's like a bowl. It's red. Yeah. I'll open that one. See how that one looks. Open it up. Yeah, it's just like a bowl. Yeah. Well, it's a nice car, shaped like a bowl. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's shaped like a bowl. It's got the horns on top, see? Yeah, that's a nice car. That's the first Hot Wheels car. And the second one is a skateboarder. Or a surfer. Yeah, a surfer. A big surfer. It's got wheels on it. It's like a surfboard. Yeah, so I'll open that guy up. See how he looks close up. And it comes with a little extra little piece of plastic. Oh yeah, there. See, you can see the surfboard, but it has wheels on it. Here's the bottom. Oh yeah, that's a neat car. Yeah, and the big surfboard guy on it. Yeah, that's neat. Yeah, see. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's my second Hot Wheels car. That's a neat car. Look, a surfing guy on a surfboard. Then I'll open this Matchbox car. It's just like a little bobcat. Yeah, tiny one. Yeah. So I'll open that up. Uh-oh. Yeah, I hate it when they don't open all the way. Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah. There, got that one open. Yeah, it's just a little loader. Yeah. Oh, that's neat. Little glass, little mortar in the back. Yeah, just a tiny loader. Yeah. Yeah, that's a neat little. That's a Matchbox. Yeah, neat little Matchbox. Yeah. Then I'm gonna open this set of Matchbox. It has 5 cars in it. Yeah, 5 different cars. It's got a dune buggy. And I think that's a police car, and rescue, and a jeep. Then an underwater little submarine or something. Yeah. So I'll open this one. Oh, and it's got it's right here. GM and Nissan. So they're all Nissans and GM. Yeah. So I'll open this guy up. Opening it up. Oh, there's the pack. Oh yeah, it comes in a little tray. Yeah. First one, I'll start with the Jeep. There's the Jeep, yeah. See? Oh yeah, that's a neat little dune buggy like, yeah. Yeah, That's a neat little dune buggy. That's the first one. And the second one, it's like a police car, yeah. Some type of police car. Yeah. It's got the little siren on top, and there's the bottom. Yeah, it's a little, kind of like a little police car, yeah. Yeah. Then the third one, hazmat. So it's a hazardous rescue truck, I guess, yeah. It's got that words on the side, hazmat. Yeah. Yeah, that's neat. Rescue truck, yeah. There's the back. Yeah. Yeah, that's a neat matchbox. And the next one is MBX. I think this is kind of like a rescue car too, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it looks neat, yeah. It's got stuff on the top, like a tire and a fire extinguisher and all that, and then here's the bottom. Yeah, that's a neat little car, yeah. Rescue car too, yeah. Yeah. Then the fifth one is like a mini sub, yeah. Yeah, a mini sub with the hands there. Yeah. The motor in the back. Oh yeah, that's a neat little, it's a neat little matchbox car. Here's the bottom. You can see the hands better. Yeah, underwater research. Yeah, what they do with that. Yeah, underwater research. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a neat matchbox. Yeah. So that's my my Matchbox and Hot Wheels unboxing this week. There's the Matchbox, all 5, and then you get this little loader. Yeah, I like this little loader. That's my favorite. Yeah, that's the Matchbox. Then my 2 Hot Wheels cars I unboxed. This Surfer, then the Bull. The Bull. Yeah. Okay. That's my little haul for my Hot Wheels and Matchbox this week. Yeah, okay. That's all I have to open and show you. Alright, bye. Bye.